The hair industry in Vietnam is growing and there are many hair companies born. But do you really understand the hair industry in Vietnam? Today I will clarify for you. To make a beautiful wedge or extension from Vietnamvirginhair, the source of the raw hair must be unprocessed virgin hair. Therefore, the origin of Vietnamese hair mainly comes from women with long, smooth, black hair that had never been chemical treated, bleached or dyed. And the hair length is also different with the different hair sources. In a rural woman, the hair length is usually from 60 cm or more. Meanwhile, in urban women, hair length is shorter, mainly from 50 to 55 cm. In Vietnam, women value their hair very much, so the hair is always very high quality and strong. We will make a clip comparing Vietnamese hair and some regions in the world like India or China, and you can see the huge difference in hair quality in Vietnam. You can see the clip in the link in the description. In Vietnam, we are always supported and encouraged by government to export, so doing business with hair company in Vietnam will not worry you too much about legal issues. Shipping goods abroad in Vietnam is also extremely easy and convenient. With 22 international airports and hundreds of ports, goods will reach you extremely easily. Jenhair is currently cooperating with the world's largest shipping companies such as UPS, DHL, FedEx, and can ship to you wherever you are. Don't hesitate to order now. A question that is always asked by our customer is why our hairdressing technology can be so standard and of such high quality. That's because in Vietnam, our factory is infused with technology from people with a long history of hair production. Jenhair factory is not an exception. Our factory is located in Ninh Bình, one of the places with the longest hair production in the country. Owning a hair factory in Vietnam is extremely difficult because long-standing hair producers often do not reveal their technology. The machine and human resources spent to do hair construction land in Vietnam is very expensive, so not every company can own it. Jenhair is one of the companies that own a factory up to 3,000 square meters and can produce extremely large quantity of hair with any order you place. With such great advantage, doing business with hair company in Vietnam become extremely attractive. How can you place order with us? Well, most of the hair company in Vietnam have their own social networking site and website. You can call us directly or ask for product information, and you can contact us via WhatsApp message. With Jenhair, our sales team is available 24/7. You can call or text us directly and we will reply you immediately about the information you want to order. And after placing order, we will notify the factory and you will receive the goods soon.